we saw that we keep the files on the secondary storage and the information about these files are kept in a directory structure which also resides on the secondary storage. Now, which all are the information about these files, or what are the basic file attributes? First of all, name of the file. Name of the file, this is usually a string of characters which is a human readable form. Then identifier, this is a unique number which helps to identify each file within the file system. Then type of the file. File can be of any type, a text file, an executable file, source file, image file, video file, and so on. The type attribute identifies what type of file is it, so that which application can be used to open the file. For example, if it is a .txt file, it means it is a text file. If it is a .exe file, then it is an executable file. Then location. This is a pointer to the secondary storage device on which the file is stored, as well as the location of the file on that device. Then the current size of the file. Then protection. It refers to the access control information regarding the file, whether a particular user can read or write or do both, and so on. Then time, date, and user identification. It shows when the file was created, modified, deleted, and by which user. File can be considered as an abstract data type. Any abstract data type will be having a set of attributes for which values can be defined and a set of operations that can be performed on it. So we already saw the attributes of the file. Now let's see which are the file operations and what the operating system do for each of these operations. File creation. To create a file, first of all, the system should find a space for that file within the file system. Then an entry should be made in the directory structure with all the acquired information, including the location. Then writing a file. To write to a file, a system call will be made specifying the name of the file as well as the information or the content to be written to that file. With the name of the file, a search will be made in the directory structure, finding the location of the file. With the location, it moves to the location of the file within the file system. And a write pointer is also maintained by the system, showing where the next write should take place. After adding bytes to the file, the write pointer will be updated. Similar to writing to the file, reading a file. To read from a file, a system call will be made specifying the name of the file. With the name of the file, the directory structure will be searched, finding the location of the file. Now move to the location. And a read pointer is also maintained by the system, showing where the next read should take place. After reading from the file, the read pointer should be updated. Now, instead of maintaining a separate read pointer and write pointer, since every process opens a file either to read or to write, a single pointer called current file position pointer is maintained. Repositioning within a file. Here also a system call will be made specifying the name of the file. With the name of the file, a search will be made in the directory structure. The location of the file will be found out. Then the position of the current file position pointer will be updated. Now deleting a file. To delete a file from the file system, the name of the file will be specified with the system call. With the name of the file, the location will be identified. From that location, the space will be freed so that any other files can use it. Not only that, the directory entry should also be deleted. Now the other basic file operation is truncating a file. Here we are not deleting the file, just the content of the file is deleted. Hence, the directory entry will be remain there. Just we need to reset the size of the file will be reset to 0. All other information will be maintained. The size of the file will be reset to 0 and the space allocated to the file will be freed, or the information or the bytes that are added to the file will be deleted.